like to tell you the right time to prune your flowering shrubs. If they flower on old wood, that is the time to prune them right after they flower or within a month after flowering. Quince is one example. There are a couple of Spireas on the list that actually do bloom on old wood and they're finished. And then we have Nanking cherry, which is another one. You can really prune back hard if you want to. If a shrub has gotten way out of control, take it way back, again knowing that it's going to produce its flowers on old wood for the following year. And again, the time to do that pruning is within a month after flowering. You will not remove the flower buds for next year because they set their flowers on old wood. Dwarf garland Spirea is one of the ones that flowers on old wood. It's really obvious to see on this colony of dwarf garland Spirea where the old flowers were and where the new growth is. So it's time to prune if you want to prune this one. There are situations where you might want your shrubs to have more of an architectural form to them. Sometimes we call it green meatballs, but in this case, the forsythia to my right has been pruned beautifully over the years into more rounded shape. The forsythia on my left obviously needs a really good haircut. And this is a great example of what happens if you do decide you do want to prune nicely, or you absolutely don't have time, you don't understand when to prune. This is what can happen. So this one is going to get a pretty significant haircut. It is a forsythia, it blooms on old wood. The other one, of course, is lilacs. They're still flowering. You've got a month, then you prune because they will set their flower buds for next year's flowers.